Hey, Crystal don't need us no more.
I don't know it all. I just want to tell everybody, just be patient and trust the process. I was one of the first to get my license back in June. I talked to Ashley, and 7 days later, here I was licensed. I didn't start the funding process until towards the end of July, beginning of August. And when I tell you patience is a virtue, it was worth the wait. And Desmond, I don't think I told you the total amount that I got funded, but I got my spreadsheet ready because I told you I had the spreadsheet we had first talk. But I got $183,100 in funding.
I didn't even know that.
Let me hold on, Crystal.
$183,100 in funding.
Right.
But
Let's go.
That in your account, 6 figures in your bank account. Now, it ain't mine, but one day it will be my story to tell.
And that's the goal.
So that's the goal. And just because you have it, don't get tipsy like, if I just take $5 or $10 and do it. Don't do that. When you get those fundings from those companies, set that money aside until you get the call from Desmond or one of his trainers to walk you through your personal finances so they can tell you what you can do, what direction you need to take. Take that direction. Don't jump the gun. Take it, follow the next step. I'm at the step right now where I'm trying to get my business credit set up. That's just personal funding. Keep that in mind. That's just personal funding. I'm at the step right now where I'm trying to get business funding. So I started that actually today. So I got to go back through all my notes and stuff, but it's definitely going to be worthwhile. Trust the process. For those who are not licensed, please go get your license. I worked a full-time job and I was going through COVID at the time I took my license. And I studied every day. If I went to the grocery store, I had my information in the car with me. If I was at a red light, I had my paper up at the red light, studying the notes that I had because I knew I had to do this. And like I told Desmond, I'm like, I'm going to trust you. I'm going to trust you with this process. And that's what I've been doing. So